Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and I'd like to introduce you to Douglas. And I want you to know that Douglas is one of the smartest chiropractic patients on the planet because he looks in the mirror at his posture and determines when he needs to come in and get an adjustment instead of letting the pain get on top of him.
Right.
And he's staying ahead of the curve. He's only coming in today for a tune-up. He doesn't, his original complaints that he had have pretty much eased off completely, haven't they?
They sure have.
And you've only been here a total of what, 6 times?
Right.
And your last visit was in January.
Yeah.
And you've held up pretty good since that point, haven't you?
I sure have.
That's great. Well, let's take a look and show them how we do that.
All right.
Okay, let's have you flex your head forward and backwards. And then neutral, bless you. Okay, now his head's a little forward and over to the right, which is what he saw when he looked in the mirror.
Right.
As we teach our patients to do this, and it has a little more room on the right side than he does over here on the left side, so he knows his pelvis has shifted a little bit to the left. And he made the right decision. He called and got an appointment and came in here today to get tuned up rather than letting the pain and numbness and tingling in his arms and hands and legs and feet come back and bother him. He is protecting his health and well-being. Slide down this way. There we go. There we go. Good job. Just like that. You feel that all the way down?
Oh yeah.
Alright, good deal. You didn't forget how to relax, that's good. Okay. Oh yeah. Yes, sir? Doesn't get any better than that, Douglas.
Feels good too.
Yes, sir. It's not even hurting so good anymore, it just feels good now, right?
Yes, sir.
That's cool. When you get regular chiropractic adjustments, you stay healthy and it allows your body to function at its most optimal level of performance so you can stay on top of your health and well-being as opposed to letting it get on top of you. Oh. I'm sure you got that one.
I was trying not to say that. Oh, man.
Now, your left leg's a little bit short, Douglas, and that's the side we saw you translated to as well. That's left SI is out right there.
Yeah.
So we're going to adjust it first. Good. They'll probably have a new category in your Houston chiropractor drinking game now.
I was gonna say.
Miss a basket, take a shot. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh boy, it's perfect. Yes, sir. Got one more right there. Okay. Let's recheck your leg length here now. See, you're exactly even now, Douglas. Tell me if you have any pain at all in your lower back.
No sir.
Okay. So you'll feel your headpiece popping up a little bit here. I'm going to put that curve back in your neck and get your head back up over your shoulders. There we go. Okay, let's turn you on your back now. So I made a comment the other day on one of our videos that we'd like to see one patient that didn't have forward head posture. So would I. Most everyone in our society today has forward head posture. There you go. Slide down this way a little bit. Just because of the highly technical society we live in. We're on computers all the time, cell phones all the time, we're looking down all the time, including myself. I'm bent forward 24/7, but while I'm in the office here, adjusting patients. So I have to do those exercises that I show our patients as well. So if you're working on a computer all day, or you're working in a factory and bending over and putting your arms out in front of you and reaching for stuff and pulling stuff, you're probably going to have forward head posture. There it is, right there. Okay. And just let this go like a limp rag. Oh yeah, he didn't forget how. Nope, that's it, me either. Okay. That's it, good deal. Okay, let's see, jump face towards that way for a second. Good deal. There we go. Chiropractic is a lifestyle, not just a crack your neck and back profession. We help people perform at their maximum level of performance by enhancing their nervous system through spinal adjustments. Okay, relax it. There you go. There we go. Good job. Okay, let's come over here in front of the mirror. Now, see, you're already centered up.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try that again. So see, his head's more centered up now, but we're gonna still accentuate the correction on this by bringing these hips straight back, a little bit left, and now back at the wall behind him. Yep, okay, now relax. Now let's try that same thing again. Tell me what you feel different.
It's much smoother.
Yep, take a look in the mirror right now. See your head's up and back, shoulders are level now. You got equal distance on both sides now. So how do you feel right now?
Feeling much better.
Are you having any pain at all?
No.
Great. So would you advise people out there that either are getting chiropractic care or have never had chiropractic care to stay on top of their health with getting adjusted regularly?
Oh yeah, absolutely. I mean, when I first came to see you, I didn't have many issues.
Right.
But I just came in just to see what was wrong with me, and obviously there was some things wrong with me.
Right.
So I came in to get
That you
adjusted.
didn't know about.
Right. Sometimes you don't need to wait until you're in pain to come in.
That's right.
You know, you just come in, let Dr. Johnson see you, and you might be surprised what you find wrong.
Like I said, the smartest patient on the planet right here. Thank you, Douglas, for sharing your story with everyone. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. And we want y'all to stay well with chiropractic care. So we'll see y'all soon.